everybody, welcome back to another video. I do apologize for my very long absence. I've had some family issues and some health problems that have come up that have kept me away, but I am back. I'm going to be bringing you a ton of really great videos, including some reviews, one of which is today. I am going to be reviewing this Crafter's Square double-sided tape that I got at Dollar Tree to help you line double prong clips easy. It's very cost-effective means I used to get fillet tape from some of my ribbon suppliers, but it ended up getting really costly, and then I had a problem where they were out of stock and I needed more. And I found this at Dollar Tree and I tried it out, and honestly it is wonderful. I love it and I probably will not be going back. But today we are going to show you how to line your double prong clips with this tape. Now I have the ribbon I line with it and an open thing of the double-sided tape. And you're going to need, obviously the double-sided tape, you're going to need your ribbon, whatever you're lining it with. You're going to need clips. I buy mine in bulk from Amazon. I will, if I can find the link, I will link it to you. I buy like 300 at a time. So, and then this is just a jar that I got at Dollar Tree. It doesn't want to open. There we go. Probably should have pre-opened that. So you will need a double prong clip. You are also going to need your scissors and a lighter for heat sealing. So this is what you need. Just put that away. I have found doing this, because I've done plenty of these lining, that you need exactly 4.5 inches to line the clip. So we're going to lay the ribbon out and we are going to measure across to 4.5. And using this double-sided tape to line clips, I can say I've taken these when I'm out driving, when we have a long way to go driving. I'll take this stuff along with a ruler and a Ziploc bag, and I will line clips on road trips. You can do this sitting in front of the TV, watching TV. It's a really easy way to do it. So there is that. But once you have this all cut out, you're going to want to heat seal both ends. So you're just left with a 4.5 inch strip of ribbon. And you're going to take and peel up. So you're going to have one side that's sticky and one side that has the paper backing on it. You're going to lay the sticky side down. Make sure you line it up inside the ribbon. I had it twisted. Line it up and lay it down on your 4.5 inch piece of ribbon. And then press really firm down onto the ribbon, kind of just like run your fingers across and really push it down. Make sure it adheres nice and tight. Cut off the excess. All right. Once you're sure that everything has adhered, you're going to want to pull up the paper backing. Sometimes it doesn't want to pull up from the more obvious. And sometimes it doesn't adhere properly, like right now. So what I will do is I will take my lighter and just run the end down along just to make sure it adheres. Sometimes the stuff is a little finicky. And I did not heat seal the end of that ribbon. Go me. All right, theoretically, this should have worked now. All right. You're gonna take your clip. Doing it this way, you're gonna want to make sure if there's wording on your ribbon, like mine is, you do it upside down. But you lay it on the back and then wrap. Make sure to pinch to get it adhere to stick really good. And keep lining along the front. Open it up and wrap it on the inside. Now this step is not needed, but I do it. What I do is I take my lighter and run it over. It just makes sure to melt that tape into the clip so that it sticks. And then of course I heat seal the ends to keep them together. Just like that. Again, making sure to press down really good. And then finally we will come in here, just run the lighter over, pressing in. And there you go, a really quick, easy, and inexpensive way to line your clips using Crafter Square double-sided tape. I would recommend picking this up if you can find it, if you line clips. Like I said, it's a really easy way, it sticks, and it's not expensive, it won't break the bank. So if you enjoy this, please feel free to like, share the video. If you have not subscribed already, please subscribe. I am bringing you some great review, including, hopefully it looks like, some hate transfer vinyl that I am getting. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them down below. Also, if you have any video suggestions, please feel free to leave those down below as well. Check the description box for links for the products that I use that I can provide links for. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you all again on the next video. Bye.